Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this very, very simple but delicious salad. Chicken, grapes and roasted red pepper. Let's go. So in a mixing bowl, I've got my chicken. Now, by the way, any of the amounts you can change. It's up to you. Some cooked chicken there, a little bit of chopped parsley. You could change that to cilantro if you want. A little bit of chopped pickle, maybe a couple of tablespoons that is there in the mix. Olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Try and use a nice quality olive oil if you can. There we go, that's the roasted red bell pepper. Chop that up. In goes the grapes, using green. Salt and pepper. We're going to give this a mix. And it's done. And it's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.